Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on creating a simple snake game in Python using pycharm, along with a code example. Make sure you have Python and pycharm installed on your system before proceeding. If you haven't installed pycharm, you can download and install it from the official website. Create a new Python project and open a new Python file. Pygame is a set of Python modules designed for writing video games. You can install it using pip. Save the Python file and run it. You should see a window pop up with the snake game. Use the arrow keys to control the snake and try to eat the red food to grow longer. The game will end if the snake hits the boundaries or collides with itself. Congratulations! You have successfully created a simple snake game in Python using Pygame and pycharm. Feel free to modify and enhance the game to add more features and improvements. ChatGPT